High five, yay, give me a high five. Multiple high fives, yay, multiple high fives.
I just got that on video.
Tall. Oh! That was not a tall, that was a jump. That's a tall. Peggy, what you doing?
Get in the bottom. You can't get in. No. It's Cock's turn. No, I'm sorry. That was a big yawn. Try and keep him at it. He's trying to record.
What's wrong, man? Yeah.
Hey, bro, you gonna share that with me? Oh, come on now.
What?
He's pecking my hair.
Oh, you got double birds. You got
on the back of me.
You've got.
What is it? What is it?
Can I have this?
Check.
Wow.
Just listen.
My baby, you're my baby.
Come here, Daddy, come. Get over here. Inside, inside.
Check.
Wow.
Moi, je t'ai pas raconté l'histoire du chien. Non, mais je vais raconter ça, je vais redire.
Oh.
Cuernear.
Moi, je t'ai pas raconté l'histoire du chien. Non, mais je vais raconter ça, je vais redire.
Hey, do you run away? What the hell? No. Oh, there's a big.
Let me in. Let me in.
They can't get enough of each other. They enjoy their company. Every morning, every night, Kitty just loves Homer, and Homer loves Kitty.
It's good in the bottom. You can't get in. No. Then the cock's turning. No, I'm sorry. That was a big yawn. Try and keep him at it. He's trying to record.
Don't do it. Can't do this right now.
It's gonna be a good day.
Tall. Oh! That was not a tall, that was a jump. That's a tall.
Guys, I don't think he's stray. That is just a giddy deer wanting to go places.
High five, yay, give me a high five. Multiple high five, yay, multiple high.
No. Can I have those back, please? Ouch!
She fart.
Drop it! Go! Drop the snake! Don't eat
Who let the dogs out?
my baby. You're my baby.
Dat is je verzoekje. Just feet. Yeah, that was strong.
Hey, girl, what do you got?
Let me in, please.
Cái bè thác hoài hả?
Hey, you ain't like bath time? Wow, you really meant it.
You are the only thing holding together my mental health.
Hello! What are you doing? Oh,
Vengan dos agobias,
Willow is quite lucky to have encountered a house full of friendly cats. Willow is quite lucky to have encountered a house full of friendly cats.
No, Yarko, that's hers.
They can't get enough of each other. They enjoy their company. Every morning, every night, Kitty just loves Homer, and Homer loves Kitty.
Oh, sick touch. Oh! Oh! Flew out of nowhere and landed on me. Oh my god, it's crawling up my head. Oh my god, this thing's my best friend.
He took the waffle. Wow. He took the waffle.
Trying to break a piece off.
Are you what's for dinner?
Get your ball. He's done?
Ты что тут делаешь? Как дела? Тебя ничего не смущает? Подождем или, может, испугаем его, не?
Did you do this? Peaches?
No, I didn't say. You leave it outside.
This is how we sit in the car at Jackson School. Mari, you're too damn big.
Where's the milk?
Stop it, Leo.
Right.
Do you like it when I'm in your spot? No. You probably don't.
Hey. 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 What's up? Hey.
Three, two, one.
Today's loaf of the day.
Hey, girl, what do you got?
Иди сюда, плыви, иди, зайка. Иди, давай, ты мой хороший, ты мой красивый.
My way. Stop. Why are you so bad?
Bye. Bye.
Missy?
You fall down the stairs. Like, oh, okay. You fall down the stairs.
That's going a bit far.
Promise you this. I'll always look out for you. That's what I'll do.
My gosh.
Yes.
Yum. Oh.
Oh, God.
Okay.
Really?
Oh my god.